We're going to throw some curveballs at you, Keith, right? Leak defense system is obviously works for inside and outside the pipe, traditional water coming into the home. Talk to me about if there are multiple supplies to the home, like an A/B versus a hot and cold.
Well, the good news, first of all, Gary, is we can do it.
Okay.
All right. Here again, been doing this for over 15 years. We get the request from contractors. We say, what's your piping scenario? Let's say we have a hot-cold scenario, which is common in multifamily, high-rises, or maybe large estates. Mm-hmm. So what we do is, if we assume, like in this scenario here, that one is cold and one is hot, then we can put a valve on both sides, and then we wire those two connected together for safety purposes.
If one goes off, it'll tie the other one to it.
If one goes off, the other one's going to go off.
Yep.
If this goes off, the other one's going to go off. So we don't know where that leak is at until you go to the control panel. It tells you which valve was the initiator of the alarm.
Okay.
So you'll clear both of those alarms, get it back into snuff. That's a little bit different from an A/B scenario. An A/B scenario may be a redundant feed that may be coming from both sides of the house. And so it's not a safety issue. And there's different ways that we can wire these together to accommodate closing both of those feeds off until you can investigate and see where the leak is at.
Okay.